Hi, I'm Em, and today we're going to be making a screaming mandrake planter straight from the pages of Harry Potter. It's a really fun craft for you guys today. The thing you want to start with is a simple plastic bottle, and what you want to do is start by taking off the top. I'm going to be doing this with a junior hacksaw just because the plastic's a little bit thick on this bottle for a scalpel. Jesus Christ, how was I doing this before? Once you've gracefully taken the top off your bottle, you can now start paper mashing. We're using a 3-to-1 PVA and water mix and some newspaper strips for ours. Dip strips into the glue. I tend to use my fingers to squeegee off the excess glue before putting it onto the bottle. Once that's completely covered, put it to one side and leave it to dry, and then you can start on the arms. For the arms, we're using 2 pieces of rope, roughly 20 centimeters each, and we're going to start by taking one piece, folding it in half, and building up a shape with masking tape. Once you've mostly covered your rope with tape, you now need to bend it slightly. This helps create the arm shape, and we're just going to use some more paper mache to help hold that in place. Once you finish paper mashing it, repeat the whole process again with your second bit of rope and leave them both to dry. Through the power of sneaky editing, we've already done ours. Once you've got 2 and they are dry, you can start by separating out the strings. We're going to cut them down unevenly. This just helps make it look a bit more like roots. Once this is done, we're going to use a glue gun and stick them on either side of our bottle. Once your arms are stuck on, it's now time for the face. Everybody knows. The face tells the story, really defines the character. So for the Mandrake, we'll just go for screaming. To do this, you want to start with the bottom jaw. The best thing to do is make a rounded bit of card and then stick it on in an archway. Once you're happy with the mouth shape, it's time to add 2 little beads to create his beady little eyes. You get it, Jamie? You get it?
Yes. Yes, I do.
He loves it, really.
Hilarious.
Now it's time to start building the shape. To do this, we're going to use some paper pulp, some kitchen roll, and some PVA glue. Paper pulp is a really great material and can be found in most hobby stores. It's really great for building up shapes quickly and smoothly. That's why it's perfect for podging out our Mandrake. This is the perfect time to personalise your Mandrake. Shape his character, really make him personal to you. Once you've got the desired thickness of your Mandrake, it's now time to work on the face. We're going to do this by using PVA glue and kitchen roll strips. To do this, you start by dipping your kitchen roll into the PVA glue and twisting it around to create little sausages. You then lay these over the face and the body to create a really nice, organic, rooty effect. You should be seeing some really fun personality coming out of your Mandrake now. When you're happy with how unhappy your Mandrake is, put him somewhere warm to dry. Just take a few hours or so. When he is, it's time to start painting. We're going to put down a base layer using a sponge. I'm using a few different browns just to get that rooty effect. Once you're happy with your base layer, it's time to start adding the details. To do this, you want to add some darker colours into the divots and bring out the highlights using a dry brush. Dry brushing is a really great technique, super simple, just don't put much paint on the brush and you'll bring out all the highlights of your creature. Makes it look like you're way better at painting. When you're happy with how your Mandrake looks, it's time to make him scream. We're going to do this by using a record your own message birthday card. Open up the card and cut out the mechanism. Make sure you don't cut the tab, as this is what makes the mechanism work. When you've completely cut out your mechanism, it's time to record your scream. Go on, audience.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Once you've embarrassed yourself screaming into a card, it's time to grab a plant pot and using a hot glue gun, stick the mechanism inside. To top it off, we're going to put in a bit of black card with a slit in it. This is so we can thread the mechanism through and attach it to our Mandrake. It's now time to fill your Mandrake up with soil. To do this, we're going to use a funnel and a spoon. Grab yourself a plant, preferably one that's nice and leafy to help finish off your Mandrake. Grab your screaming pot, fold down the tab of the exposed mechanism, add some glue to these tabs and stick on your Mandrake. With this all in place, our little Mandrake buddy is ready to scream to his heart's content. Tell him, look what I made.
What is that? Oh my god, it's a Mandrake. Oh, it's so cute.
Wait, ready?
What? Oh my god. This is why you were screaming before, wasn't it?
Yep.
Oh my god, it makes so much sense now.
Oh my god, look at this little boy. Wait, lift him up. And there you have it, your very own screaming Mandrake planter. But remember, when playing with mandrakes, always wear ear protection. Looks like Jamie's been neglecting his earmuffs. I'll go help him. Bye!